Hello everyone, welcome to Math Circle. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to find square roots of decimal numbers. The method we are going to use in this video is division method, but this is not that simple division we do since birth. Let's take an example for it. Let's say we have to find the square root of 156.25. As this is the only dividend we are getting, let's find out how do we divide this number without the divisor. In this division method, what do? We simply do the pairing right to the decimal and then left to the decimal, taking two digits at a time. But we are left with one digit, and at the last we do the pairing of that single digit. Now we have to find a number whose square goes into this single digit, and the only number that is smaller than 1 is square of 1. So 1 ones are 1. Subtracting it, we get nothing. So we copy down the next pair, 56 as it is. Now what do we do next is we move the divisor here, but not as it is, we make it double. And we take another digit whose square will be multiplied with it. Let's say the only number I can think of is 2. Multiplying it by 2, we get 44. Subtracting 44 from 56, we get 12. Now, next to this decimal, instead of going it down, making it moving down, we simply take it to the quotient and it comes here. Now we move down the next pair and we find out another divisor to subtract this number or to divide this number. Let's say 2 is already doubled, so 2 will not be touched. This 2 will be doubled, this will become 4, and we have to take another number apart from this whose square will be multiplied. Let's say the only number I can think of right now is 5. So multiplying 245 by 5, we get 1225. Subtracting it, I get nothing. And so the square root of 156.25 will become simply 12.5. This might be a intimidating calculation. To simplify it, we can take another example which will be simple yet useful. Let's say we have to find the square root of 17.64. First of all, we make it a division. We do the pairing right to the decimal and then left to the decimal. Now we have to find a number whose square is smaller than 17, and the number I can think of is 4. As 4 4s are 16. I write it down, subtract it, I get 1. Now the decimal moves to the quotient directly. This pair comes down. Now I double it. It becomes 8. And here I need to find another number which will be squared and divide 164. So the number I can think of is 2. Multiplied by 2, it becomes 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. I get exactly the same number, and the subtraction gives me nothing, which is, I can say the square root of 17.64 will be 4.2. Now, in the comments below, you need to tell me what will be the square root of 32.49. Let's see how many of you gets the correct answer. And with this, we wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to watch more of such videos, you can subscribe to our channel Math Circle. Please don't forget to like and share. Have a nice day.